Okay, let me tell you why you keep blowing your funded accounts left, right, and center. It's because you don't know about the ICT Silverbullet strategy. I'm going to show you from A to Z exactly what it is. This video is going to have so much value, even more than every single video on my YouTube channel. So make sure you watch this throughout the end. I want you to put your phone down, stop going through the comments just to get a little dopamine hit, because this is some life-changing information. Okay, so enough talking and let's get straight into it. The first topic that I'm going to be covering within this mini course is fair value gap. So make sure you listen carefully because a lot of people get this wrong. On the left diagram, I have efficient price action. This meaning that the candle before, the middle candle, and after it actually mitigate the whole candle. Okay, they cover everything before and after it. But as you can see on the second diagram that I've got, the inefficient price action, there is a gap right there, which is called a fair value gap. We have a gap of imbalance right here, which means there's a lot of selling pressure. I'm going to be explaining this on Euro USD, so make sure you watch carefully. As you can see here, we have a little bit of a double top right here, roughly a double top, which means we can predict that market is going to go towards the downside. That's the first confluence. And now I'm going to be showing you exactly how to find the FVG and where to actually find it, okay? So we started creating lower highs. As you can see from here, this is a lower high from this one, okay? So if I play price forward, what can you identify right here? A fair value gap, because the candle before it and the candle after it did not actually mitigate this gap right here, which means I'll mark out this area and this will be my area of entry right here, okay? Because price will bounce back up to this place after going down and it will shoot all the way down, okay? So just keep watching. As you can see, price respects the area, goes to the downside, and once it's going back up to it, you can see a big rejection right there, and price actually goes back up to that area again, if you can see here, and it actually mitigates this area, okay? It always mitigates the imbalance or fair value gap. So once it mitigates the fair value gap, this is when you need to put in your entry. So right now I would have put in a short position right here, stop loss being anywhere above this highlighted area, and take profit being at least a 1 to 3, okay? And from just from the FVG, you can become profitable, okay? As you can see here, now if I play price is just dropping down and it just smash take profit, and it respects this area, gone back up to it again, and it shoots all the way down. As you can see, FVG has a lot of power, so make sure you actually incorporate this or write this, document this down somewhere. So now I'm going to move on to the next topic. In this section of the video, I'm going to show you how to identify premium and discounted levels. You must know how to identify the equilibrium of price range. If we have a price range like this right here, as you can see, now price closed below this high here. So this whole thing right here is called a price range, okay? If we have a price range like this, we need to mark it out with the Fibonacci tool. Your Fibonacci tool might be different because I customize mine, but it stays the same. We have the equilibrium right here, the 0.5 level, okay? So anything above the 0.5 level is going to be premium and our exit point, and anything below it here is going to be our discounted and entry level, okay? So what does premium and discounted levels mean? Premium levels are the levels where you will not be buying because price is more expensive than usual. So we're going to be waiting for it to get down to the discounted level to buy, and then it reaches the premium levels for us to sell it. So, and this is very good, especially when it's paired up with the FVG like right here, as I explained in the other section. So if I play price forward right now, it should enter this FVG and it should shoot all the way up. I'm going to mark out this FVG right here, and my entry point will be here. My stop loss a few pips below, and my take profit will be 1 to 2.5, okay? As you can see, if I just play price forward, it's going to enter the level and respect the area. As you can see, we entered in the discounted level right here below the 0.5, and now it will go all the way up, and there you go, just smash that take profit, okay? This is the way to use discounted level as another confluence. I'm going to show you another example right now. So now I'm going to show you another example where it's in a bearish momentum, okay? So as we know now, we're going to be looking for the price range. Okay, we're gonna be looking for the bearish price range. So if I play price, as you can see, it keeps going down, big momentum. Now that we've just had our first break of momentum, we can mark this as our price range, okay? And when this is paired up with the FVG, this will make you so much more profitable, okay? So make sure you listen carefully. So we have our Fibonacci drawn out right now, and I'm gonna just draw out the FVG, which is aligned perfectly with the Fibonacci to 0.5, okay? As you can see, we have FVG right here. So it's exactly within the equilibrium line. Okay, so we're going to be entering throughout this point. So I'm going to be putting my sell position at the top of this because I want to enter at a discounted level, as you can see. And I'm going to put my stop loss a few pips before the first candle. I'm going to take profit at least 1 to 3, okay? Okay, this is going to be a light trade, but this will make you lots and lots of profits. As you can see, price is going back up to the discounted level right here. And there we go, just enters. If I just let it play, as you can see, it fully enters this area. And if I just let it play on, see it rejected twice. Now it's gonna head towards the downside. There we go, and it just broke through to take profit, okay? Fibonacci tools are so easy to use, even though they look complicated. Just make sure you change the settings on it because it might be very complicated. At the start, it was complicated for me too, okay? This is my settings right now for it if you want to copy it, and we're gonna move on to the next section now. I just need to show you something really quickly. I have a limited time offer of only $29.99. Okay, you get all of this, you get 2 secret strategies, and you get so much support within this strategy, within this course. Okay, you get 5 hours plus of premium pre-recorded content. This is so valuable. It's only $29. I'm gonna move it up to $100 a month next week. Okay, so make sure you actually buy this right now. Just for the price of a video game, you can change your life. If you're willing to spend it on a night out with your friends or something like that, then you got your priorities wrong. Okay, I will change your life. So make sure you actually consider this and go on this page. But anyway, let's get back straight in the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain to you the last piece of this big puzzle that's going to solve the silver bullet strategy, and this is the reason why it has such a high win rate. Okay, so make sure you listen carefully to this part. We're going to be talking about displacement. So displacement is when price takes out a higher level or a lower level with an imbalance. Okay, as you can see right here, this is the most recent higher low. We're going to mark that out because the candle before it and the candle after it did not go below it, as you can see here. And when price takes this out with an imbalance, it means it is actually a very valid point of entry, okay? So there you go, we have an imbalance right there. This is the same example I used earlier. So it's the imbalance right here, and it fits perfectly with this breakage of structure, okay? Which makes this so valid. So there you go, we have the displacement right there. The displacement means the whole movement of price taken out a recent low or recent high with an imbalance. That's why it taps into this area and then it shoots all the way down. Okay, you can see if I play price forward, it shoots down all the way, and there you go, we would have made so much profits. Let me show you another example of this. So as you can see now, I'm on another example and I'm going to show you exactly the displacement in this. I want you to try and find out where it is. Okay, as you can see, I'm just going to play price forward. And there we go, we have a big momentum's going downwards and we just have the breakage of structure. So what we would do the Fibonacci tool and we would mark out our zones, okay? There we go. We marked out our zones. Then we'd identify the FVG. So FVG is right here. Right there. This is me putting it all together. And now where is our breakage of structure? Where's our displacement? You might ask. Okay? The displacement is right here. As you can see, the candle before it and the candle after it did not go below it. Even if the candle gets like level to it, right there, even if the candle gets level to it but it didn't go below it, then that is still valid. Okay, as you can see, we can now mark this out, and there we go. We just that's 3 different confluences right there. I have 2 more bonus confluences I'm going to tell you within this video, so make sure you watch until the end for maximum profitability. Okay, so now we're going to be entering off here, off above the 0.5 zone. So I'm going to be placing my entry anywhere here between it. I'm gonna place it right there. My stop loss just above the first candle of the FVG, and my take profit at least a 1 to 3. Okay, so there we go. Now if I play price forward, you can see, there we go, it enters. As you can see right here, it enters and then it goes all the way down. Okay, this is such an easy strategy to learn and use. If you listen to this video, everything what I say carefully, you will be an expert at using the strategy. Okay, I have 2 more topics to cover, but I won't be covering it in this YouTube video. I'll be sending it into my Telegram channel, which is completely free. You just have to click on the link in the description and join it. Okay, I'll be sending the 2 more topics in there, and these 2 topics, if you add them to the strategy, it will get so close to 92%. So make sure you actually join the Telegram channel. Anyway, I'll see you there, and that's the end of the video. Take care.